Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Just got the workbench partially cleaned off. I still got quite a bit to clean up and get situated, but it's kind of hard to work on a workbench when you don't have a vise. So I picked up this CRAFTSMAN heavy duty vise. The model number is a 951856. It's a 6-inch vise. It's pretty heavy duty. I think they go for about $125. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for $40. It was brand new. I opened it up just to make sure that it was actually in there. But I can't believe I got this thing for $40. So lesson learned, always shop around for what you want and eventually you'll find it. So this is pretty nice. It's got a swivel, the whole nine. So I'm gonna set it up. What I'm gonna do is drill and mount it here so that I can have it off the edge. And by the way guys, it's a full 1 inch for the bolt on the bottom. Think about it, I don't think I want it too tight because I don't want it to pinch this long screw that's going through there. Something like that, so I can still open the jaw up. Actually, you know what? Probably want to do it this way so I can swing it this way if need be, or swing it the other way. It's supposed to swing 360 degrees, so okay, so if I put it like this, it'll end there and it can swing all the way around. Okay, so this is how we want it. Okay, so now we just gotta mark it and drill it. Are these gonna be? Oh yeah, these will work. Okay. Okay, so now that I got it marked, I can move this and we could drill it. I don't want to go too small, but I don't want to go too big. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, let's see how this fits. Nope, I do got to go to the next size up. I thought so. I just wanted to pre-drill it to see, because it's easier to drill things 2 times than it is to try to make it smaller once you make it really big. Let's see how we make out now. Perfect. Spin this over a little bit. Okay, well, I think I did hit some metal. Hit a little bit, not much. Okay. Just the way the setup is underneath there, it's the only way to do it. So we'll take this bit and we'll drill it. through. It's always good to clean up after yourself after each little pass of a setup. Okay, now we got those kind of pre-drilled. We're just gonna finish drilling those off. Get this light out of our face. Okay, sweep this clean. Now I can easily remove it if I need to with the wing nuts. It's going to make life a lot easier to do everything. Perfect. It's secured, but doesn't hurt to make it that extra bit of tight. So now I got the swivel where I can tighten it down so it doesn't move. It's funny, the whole table moves, and the jaw works. And it's nice, you got a nice little area if you gotta flatten out some metal, etc. So not a bad little setup. I'll get to using it and I'll let you know what I think of it. Like I said, CRAFTSMAN 951856, 6-inch heavy-duty vise. It weighs a pretty good amount, but I'll let you know how it works out as time goes on. All right. Other than that, thanks for checking into my channel. Don't forget, it's free to subscribe, and a lot more different types of projects will be coming to you. So don't forget, hard work. It feels good. Give it a try.